the 30th of June, and it's pouring rain again. We had some strong storms move through last night, and the storms we're getting today are thunderstorms that are barely moving. They're just more or less sitting, and I'm seeing a lot of water in this field. Well, in the field, I should say. Not what you want to see at all. These are like 5-mile-an-hour storms, if that. They just sit and dump torrential amounts of rain. It's only been raining here about 15 minutes. So, I'm seeing corn shut down, which is not a good sign. Limbs down. Boy. Like I said, it's only been raining here 15 minutes. I'm seeing damage in this corn. Lots of water standing. Man. Not what I want. Well, look at there. Look at all that water standing. Jeez. Not what you want when you got wheat that should be getting ready to be cut. Wow. Water flowing right there. Man alive. Well, they said we were going to get some heavy rains this week. Oh boy. Water standing in Mom and Dad's driveway. Oh. Well, I'll see you here in a bit, guys. The red dot is the center of town. These storms are just sitting. So, I would say we've gotten a good ½ inch. There have been some ungodly winds with this, kind of those all at once things. A lot of tree limbs down on the roads. Lots of water standing. Now this is what I'm afraid of in this wheat right here. It's starting to get dark. And unfortunately, there ain't a thing I can do about it. It's kind of in that my biggest fear right now is it's sprouting in the heads, because it's almost dry enough. Well, it was almost dry enough to start cutting, and it just keeps getting these enough rain on it to keep it from drying out. And I'm really afraid that it's going to start sprouting in the head. There really isn't much. There ain't nothing I can do about it. Great on the beans I planted, but well, anything else kind of sucks. But get a look at those beans in a day or two, see what they look like. I know the deer are working on them already, which does not help. So we'll see you next time, guys. Figure out how much rain we got at the end of the day, I guess. So see you next time.